12th of April, 1961.
It was a moment in history that impressed the world and has gone on to inspire a couple of corduroy-wearing musicians who have used astronaut Yuri Gagarin's journey into outer space to produce this.
Pilot Major Gagarin, Yuri Alexeyevich.
Public service broadcasting have built a cult status, teaching the lessons of the past through the music of the future. The South London duo combined their electronic sound with sampled footage from the British Film Institute archives. Meet J. Woolgoose Esquire and Wrigglesworth.
I heard a documentary on Radio 4 one day about the BFI releasing some old sort of 40s and 50s stuff online. And I'd kind of mucked around with speech samples before from various sources and just thought it sounded like sort of good fun. So, you know, it was very much kind of a bedroom operation then, so I just kind of took a few samples from it, didn't ask permission at the time, and then got in touch with them later to see if they were interested in working together, and luckily they said yes.
The astronauts endured on the